Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sync contacts on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone or iPad, tap the Settings app. Then at the top of the Settings page, tap your name and tap iCloud to see apps that can use iCloud. Then, look for contacts in the iCloud list. Toggle it on to enable syncing. Then, if prompted, select Merge to combine your device's contacts with iCloud. Then, open the Contacts app on both devices. Pull down to refresh and ensure all contacts appear. You can also check by logging into iCloud.com on your browser. Then, check your iPhone and iPad as signed with the same Apple ID. Then go to Settings, then your name or both devices to confirm. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.